Masterful craftsmanship is always a recipe for success, especially in the construction business. These construction workers discovered a hack to make their job a breeze like never before. Curious to see their trick? Let's watch this exciting video from WowTech. Wow, this is hands down the coolest way to get rid of excess mortar on the wall. This craftsman seems to be enjoying his job, throwing with precision. Binding two carpets together is not difficult if you have a cart like this. The skillfulness always makes them the best team. How a construction expert nails with just one slide. This amazing tool will help you become more professional. Imprint concrete will significantly improve the appearance of your yard. Watch these highly skilled workers drain water with just a pipe. By tying the rope at both ends, the broom can easily move on a wide surface. This man utilized multiple boxes at once to move. The cement pipe is quickly tightened by a chain. This is how this professional worker creates a wood effect. Using tape to make concrete smoother. The cracks on the road disappear like magic. Don't toss away those scraps. You can turn them into something useful. Utilizing droplets of water, he can avoid dust. With her clever hands, transforms seafoam pieces into a decorative tool for faux tiles. Let's watch this skilled worker expertly lay these bricks. Hand estimation can sometimes yield precise results. These innovative workers didn't waste anything and made a pulley out of an old bicycle. These guys make a very difficult task look easy. Teamwork can double work efficiency. One way to avoid mixing two different colors together. The unexpected jump successfully lifted the metal sheet onto the roof. The excavator deftly replaced the concrete railroad sleepers. This particular worker performed the job well on foot. Even without supporting tools, you can still complete the task well. Stacking multiple layers of bricks simultaneously can increase work efficiency. Efficient workers save energy by utilizing slopes to move crushed stone. Installing a mesh layer before spraying can prevent foam waste. A coat of a smoother material makes any concrete piece a lot easier to work with. This guy found a clever way to make the concrete surface smoother with the help of an excavator. Only with the hands of a skilled worker can a garage door be easily installed. Decorative columns can be created with just simple tools. Dividing the wooden board into smaller parts makes it easier to cut. When both hands are busy, this guy still manages to carry an extra ladder. Turning the wheelbarrow upside down makes it easier to pour soil into the container. Ensuring the safety of workers performing construction working under a pit. This perfect limestone slab was handcrafted by this man. Not everyone can be skillful in their work, but those construction workers are exceptional. Who has truly impressed you? Let us know in the comments.